Welcome to Learner's Guide. Essay on Srinivas Ramanujan. Srinivas Ramanujan was one of the most brilliant mathematicians in history, whose contributions have left an indelible mark on the field of mathematics. He was born on December 22, 1887, in Erode, Tamil Nadu, to a Tamil Brahmin Iyengar family. His father, Kuppuswamy Srinivas Iyengar, worked as a clerk in a sari shop, and his mother, Komalata Ammal, was a housewife. Despite limited resources and formal education in mathematics, Ramanujan displayed extraordinary talent and a passion for numbers from a young age. His fascination with mathematics began at the age of 10, and by 16, he had independently studied advanced mathematical concepts. He discovered a book titled A Synopsis of Elementary Results in Pure and Applied Mathematics, which inspired him to explore complex theories. Without any formal guidance, Ramanujan developed many theorems and formulas on his own, most notably in the fields of number theory, infinite series, and continued fractions. In 1913, Ramanujan sent his groundbreaking work to G.H. Hardy, a prominent mathematician at the University of Cambridge. Impressed by his genius, Hardy invited Ramanujan to Cambridge, where their collaboration produced some of the most remarkable contributions to mathematics. His discoveries, such as the Ramanujan prime, Ramanujan theta function, and the partition formula, continue to influence modern mathematics. Ramanujan's life, however, was short-lived. He returned to India in 1919 due to poor health and passed away on April 26, 1920 at the age of 32. Despite his brief life, Ramanujan left behind a legacy of over 3,900 theorems, many of which were verified only decades later. In recognition of his genius, the Government of India in 2012 declared his birthday as National Mathematics Day, celebrated annually on December 22nd. Ramanujan's story is one of perseverance, passion, and immense talent, proving that brilliance can shine through even the toughest challenges. His legacy continues to inspire mathematicians and students worldwide, reminding us that mathematics is not merely a subject but a language to understand the universe's mysteries.